Hello dear students, today we will solve exercise 3E. Okay, and in this exercise we will solve story problems. Okay, there are 10 story problems in this exercise. We have to solve them one by one. Okay, so see, question number 1 is a matchbox contains 50 sticks. How many sticks are there in 25 such मैच बॉक्सेस? स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में दिया हुआ है कि वन मैच बॉक्स अ मैच बॉक्स मींस वन मैच बॉक्स कंटेन्स 50 स्टिक्स. एक मैच बॉक्स में 50 स्टिक्स है. सो ऐसे टोटल 25 मैच बॉक्सेस में कितनी स्टिक्स होगी ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, so for that we will do multiplication. We are studying the lesson multiplication. It means in each and every questions of this exercise we have to do multiplication. Okay, so let's write solution. Sticks contains in one matchbox equals to sticks contains in one matchbox equals to 50. ओके, वन मैचबॉक्स में स्टिक्स कितनी है? 50 है. सो स्टिक्स contains in 25 मैच बॉक्सेस. देखिए, वन मैच बॉक्स में 50 स्टिक्स हैं. सो स्टिक्स कंटेन्स इन 25 मैच बॉक्सेस इक्वल्स टू 50 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25. ओके, 25 मैच बॉक्सेस में कितनी स्टिक्स होगी ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 50 एंड 25 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई हियर 50 multiplied by 25. Okay, here we will multiply 50 by 5 first. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fives are 25, so we will write here 25. Okay, then we will multiply 50 by 2. Okay, and 2 is in tens place, so that's why we will give one zero of tens place. Now 2 zeros are 0 and 2 fives are 10, so we will write 10 here. Now we will do addition because we got here two partial product. So do addition. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 0 2, and 1 here. It means 1250. Our answer is 1250. It means we will write here answer. Hence there are 1250 sticks in 25 match boxes. Okay, it means we will write here answer. Hence there are 1250 sticks in 25 match boxes. Okay, understood? It means एक मैच बॉक्स में अगर 50 स्टिक्स है तो 25 मैच बॉक्स में टोटल कितनी स्टिक्स होगी? 1250. Understood students? I hope you understood. So please write question number 1 and its solution in your notebook. Okay, then we will solve question number 2. Now students, question number 2. In a minute there are 60 seconds. How many seconds are there in 55 minutes? Students, 1 minute में 60 seconds होते हैं. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So we have to calculate how many minutes are there in 55, how many seconds are there in 55 minutes. तो हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है कि 55 मिनट्स में कितने सेकंड्स होते हैं. एक 1 मिनट में 60 सेकंड्स, so 55 मिनट्स में कितने सेकंड्स, ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. So we will write the solution. Minutes in 1 second, sorry, seconds in 1 minute, seconds in 1 minute equals to 60. Seconds in 1 minute equals to 60. Seconds in 55 minutes equals to 60 multiplied by 55. Okay. Seconds in 1 minute equals to 60. So seconds in 55 minutes कैलकुलेट करने के लिए 55 मिनट्स में कितने सेकंड्स होते हैं वो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें 60 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 55 करना पड़ेगा. ओके, so let's multiply here 60 multiplied by 55. Now we will multiply 60 by 5 first. This 5, okay, which is in ones. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30. So we will write 30. Now multiplication by 5 ones as completed. Now we will multiply 60 by 5 tens, means 50. And 5 is in tens place, that's why we will give 1 0 of tens. Now 5 zeros are 0 and 5 6 are 30. We will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 0, 3, and 3 is 3. It means 3300. Okay. Hence, we will write here, our answer is 3300. Hence, there are 3300 seconds in 55 minutes. Okay, hence there are 3300 seconds in 55 minutes. Understood, students? I hope you understood. Then we will solve question number 3. Now student, question number 3. See question number 3. There are 1125 mangoes on a tree. How many mangoes will there be on 54 such trees? One tree पे 1125 मैंगोज हैं. ओके, वन ट्री पे 1125 मैंगोज लगे हुए हैं. सो ऐसे ही टोटल 54 ट्रीज में कितने मैंगोज लगे होंगे वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, वन ट्री में 1125 मैंगोज लगे हुए हैं. सो वैसे ही सेम 54 ट्रीज में कितने मैंगोज लगे हुए होंगे वो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें यहाँ पर सॉल्यूशन लिखना होगा. ओके, solution mangoes on one tree equals to 1125. Mangoes on one tree equals to 1125. So mangoes on 54 trees. अभी हमें क्या करना है, मैंगोज ऑन 54 ट्रीज फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 1125 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 54 करना होगा. ओके, वन ट्री में 1125 मैंगोज दिए हुए हैं. सो 54 ट्रीज में कितने मैंगोज होंगे ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 1125 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 54 हम सॉल्व करेंगे यहाँ पर 1125 multiply by 54. Okay, so we will multiply 1125 by 4 first. Okay, so 4 5s are 20, so 20 is 0 here to carry. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, so 10 is 0, 1 carry here. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, then 4 1s are 4, so we will write 4 here. Okay, so multiplication by 4 has completed. Now we will multiply 1125 by 5, which is in tens place. So 5 is in tens place, that's why we will give 1 0, and we will cancel this carry. Okay, now 5 5s are 25, so write 5 here to carry here. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, so 12 is 2 here, 1 carry here. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, then 5 1s are 5. Okay, we got here two partial product. We will add 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 6 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 5 6, means 60,750. Answer is 60,750. Answer is 60,750. It means we will write here, hence there will be 60,750 mangoes on 54 such trees. Okay, so it means कि total 60,750 mangoes 54 trees पे होंगे. Understood? Now students, we will solve question number 4, and question number 4 is there are 1025 pages in a notebook. How many pages are there in 58 such notebooks? Students, in a one notebook there are 1025 pages. In a one notebook there are 1025 pages. So we have to find out that how many pages are there in 58 such notebooks. So ऐसे ही सेम 58 अगर नोटबुक्स हैं तो उसमें कितने पेजेस होंगे? वन नोटबुक में 1025 पेजेस हैं, तो 58 नोटबुक्स में कितने पेजेस होंगे? ये फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. तो लेट्स राइट हियर सॉल्यूशन. पेजेस in one notebook equals to 1025. Pages in one notebook equals to 1025. So we have to calculate pages in 58 notebooks. So हमें pages in 58 notebooks find out करना है. So उसके लिए 1025 multiply by 58. Okay, pages in 58 notebooks find out करने के लिए 1025 multiply by 58 करेंगे. Now let's multiply here 1025 by 58. Okay, so we will multiply 1025 by 8 first. 8 5s are 40, so 40 is 0, 4 carry here. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20, so 20 is 0, 2 carry here. 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 2, 8 1s are 8. Okay, then we will multiply 1025 by 5, and 5 is in tens place, so that's why we will give 1 0 of tens place. 5 5s are 25, 5 here to carry. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, so 12 is 2 here, 1 carry. 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 1, then 5 1s are 5. Now we got two partial product, we will add them. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 2 plus 2 4, 8 plus 1 9, and 5 here. It means 59,450 is our answer. 59,450 is our answer. So we got here answer. So we will write hence there are 59,450 pages in 58 such notebooks. इसका मतलब कि अगर वन नोटबुक में 1025 पेजेस है, तो 58 नोटबुक्स में 59,450 पेजेस होंगे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. So write fast, then we will solve question number 5. Now students, we will solve question number 5. And question number 5 is a car can travel 115 kilometers in 1 hour. How far will it travel in 24 hours? एक कार जो है 1 आवर में 115 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करती है. ओके, तो वही कार 24 आवर्स में कितने किलोमीटर्स ट्रैवल करेगी, ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी सॉल्यूशन. कार can travel in 1 hour equals to 115 kilometers. A car can travel in 1 hour equals to 115 kilometers. So a car will travel in 24 hours equals to 115 kilometer multiplied by 24. Okay. A car can travel in 1 hour equals to 115 kilometers. So a car will travel in 24 hours equals to 115 multiplied by 24. Okay. Here 115 multiplied by 24. So let's multiply here 115 by 24. Okay. See here. First we will multiply by 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 is 0 here to carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. Then 4 1s are 4. Okay, multiplication by 4 has completed. Now we will multiply by 2. And 2 is in tens place, so that's why we will give 1 0 of tens. And we will cancel this carry. Okay. 2 5s are 10. So 10 is 0 here, 1 carry here. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. And 2 1s are 2. Now we will add 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, and 2 here. It means 2760. 2760. It means we will write here, hence a car will travel 2760 kilometers in 24 hours. Okay, it means वो जो कार है 24 hours में 2760 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करेगी. अगर कोई कार 1 आवर में 115 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करती है, इट मींस वो 24 आवर्स में 2760 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करेगी. Understood students? I hope you understood. So please note question number 5 also in your notebook, and remaining questions of this exercise we will solve in next period. Okay, bye.